गगन, जिनके ओजस्वी वचनों से गूंज उठा था विश्व गगन। वही प्रेरणा पुंज हमारे स्वामी पूज्य विवेकानंद, वही प्रेरणा पुंज हमारे स्वामी पूज्य विवेकानंद, जिनके ओजस्वी वचनों से गूंज उठा था विश्व गगन। वही प्रेरणा पुंज हमारे स्वामी पूज्य विवेकानंद, वही प्रेरणा पुंज हमारे स्वामी पूज्य विवेकानंद।
Really, Swami Vivekananda is a great saint. He was born on 12 January 1863. His birthplace is Simuliapalli. Simuliapalli is a place in Kolkata, and Kolkata is in West Bengal. He was one of his 9 brothers and sisters. His father was Vishwanath Dutt, and Swami Vivekananda's mother was Bhuvneshwari Devi. His mother was a religious lady, pious lady. In the childhood, name of Swami Vivekananda was Narendra. His grandfather was Durgacharan Das. He was a great scholar. He knew 2 languages, Sanskrit and Persian. His grandfather was also a religious man. His grandfather became a monk when Durgacharan Dutt was at the age of 25. That time he left his house, and Swami Vivekananda also followed the footprint of his grandfather, or you can say the path of his grandfather. He also became a saint. Swami Vivekananda also became a monk. He completed his BA in 1884, and in the same year his father died. It means his father died in 1884. Swami Vivekananda was a genius student, very brilliant student, very intelligent student. There was a great devotion in the heart of Swami Vivekananda for his religion. Once he met Ramakrishna Paramhans. The place was residence of Surendra Nath Mitra. He met Ramakrishna Paramhans in 1881. After that, Swami Vivekananda became a sannyasi, or you can say monk, in 1887. In 1892, Swami Vivekananda went to Kanyakumari and he started his meditation. He meditated for 3 years there. Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission. At present, Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission is doing a lot of work in the field of religion. In 1893, the Parliament of the World Religions was going to be held in Chicago. It was September 1893 Swami Vivekanand went to Chicago, and there he delivered his speech on the religion. The first word of his speech was Sisters and Brothers of America. There was a magic of these words on the heart of people who had come to visit the Parliament of World Religions. There he delivered lecture about Hinduism. He gave there 12 speeches, and those speeches made him immortal. He became a very popular and famous saint. After that, he visited many countries like America, England, Japan, and some other Western countries. The subject of his speech was Hinduism and India. In 1985, an Irish woman named Margaret Elizabeth Noble met Swami Vivekananda. She became the disciple of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda gave him a name, and the name that was given to Margaret Elizabeth Noble was Nivedita. She is popularly known as Sister Nivedita or Bhagini Nivedita. But at the age of 39 years, Swami Vivekananda set out for heaven. He breathed his last on 4 July 1902. Swami Vivekananda is known for his greatness, for his dedication for the country, for the love for his country. There is a great slogan of Vivekananda, that is, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Really, Narendra, who transformed as Swami Vivekananda because he got Vivek, and you can say Swami Vivekananda is the greatest personality of India. We all are proud of Swami Vivekananda, and Swami Vivekananda was proud of his country. We also love our country. We respect our saints. We should work for our country. We should work for our religion. We should be proud of our country. We should be proud of our religion. Thank you.